Now children, let us discuss this type of question. Find the missing numbers. Okay, you have to write the missing digits in the places and the operations are addition and subtraction. Okay, this type of questions we are going to see. Now, as you know, we were doing in subtraction question when we were asked to verify the answers or subtract and check. What we were doing is we were adding the bottom line two numbers to get the minuend, right? This is your minuend, this is your subtrahend, and this is your difference. So here we are going to apply the same method. So instead of going for subtraction and thinking, this will be the better way that add these two numbers and this should be your answer. So here I am going to apply the same method. That is, now what I have is box 2, box 3. Okay, box 2, box 3, and now the second number, that is I will add 6, 6, 6 and 6. So when I add these two numbers, I should get 7, box 8 and box. Fine. Now 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus which number is 8? So 6 plus 2 is 8. Now again 2 plus 6 is 8 and 6 plus which number is 7? So 6 plus 1 is 7. Now fill in the numbers in the boxes given here. 7, 8, 8, 9. Here 7, 8, 8, 9. This should be your minuend, right? So write the numbers accordingly. Now this is 1, 2, 2, 3. Where is it? Here. 1, 2, 2, 3. And this is this number. Fine. Let's go with the next question. Now see the second question. Now here again I would add these two numbers in order to get this number. So here 6, box 5 and 3, 2, 3, 2. So when I add these two numbers, I should get this number, that is box 2, 5 and box, right? Now 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus which number is 5? So 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus which number is 2? So any number when added to 0 remains the same. So here this becomes 0 and 6 plus 3 is 9, and now fill up this boxes 9, 2, 5, 7. So here 9, 2, 5, 7, then 6, 0, 2, 5, 6, 0, 2, 5 and you are through. See this third question. So now I will add these two numbers, that is box 3, box 2 plus 3, 1, 1 and 7, and I should get this number, that is 6, box 7 and box 7 plus 2, that is 9. So here this number becomes 9. 1 plus which number is 7? So 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now 3 plus which number is 6? So 3 plus 3 is 6. Now fill up this boxes. 6, 4, 7, 9, which is this minuend. So 6, 4, 7, 9. And now here I have 3, 1, 1, 7, which is this number. 3, 3, 6, 2. So here 3, 3, 6, 2. Now look at this question. Now we will add the bottom line two numbers, that is 4, 7, box and 5. And this is 3, box 8 and 9. And this should be my answer, 8, box 2 and 4. Now 9 plus 5, 14, 1 carry over. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is already there and you want 2 here. Okay, so if you write 9 plus 1, then it becomes 10. So here you should have the units digit to be 0, which is not there. So this is not the correct option. Go for 2. So 9 plus 2 will be 11 and the units digit should be 11, which is not the case here. So 2 is also wrong. Then go with the next number, that is 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. So in 12 the units digit is 2. So okay, fine. So here I can write 3. So 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carry over. Now here 7 plus 1, 8. Now what happens here? Okay, this is 8. Here this is 4 plus 3, 7, and here this is 8. So how can we get 8 when 1 is carryover, right? So 1 is carryover. Now I have to think this number according when 1 is the carryover. So how I can proceed is, see, this is 7 plus 1, 8 is already there. Sum is 8, and here if I add 1, then I should have 9. So no carryover in that case, but I have the carryover. So 1 is the wrong option. Now when I write 2, then what happens? 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 10. So in 10, 1 is the carryover. Fine. So write here 2. So here 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So here this is 0. So here 8, 0, 2, 4. Okay, 4, 7, 3, 5. And now you have 3, 2, 8, 9. Let's see one more example. So here we have 1, 5, 3 box, and now I will add this number, that is box 8, box 8, and I should get this answer 3, box 9 and 2. Fine. Now 8 is there. I want 2 here. So here I will start thinking, if I write here 1, then 8 plus 1, see 8 is already there. Now if I write 1, then this should be 9, which is not correct. So 1 is not correct. Write 2, 8 plus 2, 10. So this should be 0. So this is also wrong. Now write 3. So 8 plus 3 is 11. If this is 11, then here I should have 1, which is not correct. So go with the next number, that is 4. So if I have 4 now, then what happens? 8 plus 4 is 12, and the ones digit is 2. Okay. So here I can write 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 carryover. Now 3 plus 1, 4 is already there. So 4 plus which number? That is 9. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 carryover. 1, 2, and here 3 you want. So this should be 1. And now what is the answer? 3, 3, 9, 2. Here 1, 5, 3, 4 and 1, 8, 5, 8. 1, 8, 5, 8. So this is the answer. Now check this question and we will try to solve it. So here I have box 8, 2, box. Now here this is 2, 3, 5 and 9. When I add these two numbers, I should have it 4, box, box and 2. Fine. So now I will start with this part. I have 9 plus 9 is already there. 9 plus 1 if I do, this should be 0. 10. So it should be 0, which is not correct. If I write 2, then 9 plus 2 is 11. In 11, 1's place is 1. But here it's 2. So 2 is the wrong option. Let's go with 3. So 9 plus 3 is 12. In 12 you have the ones digit to be 2. So you can write very well as 3. So 9 plus 3 is 12. So 1 carry over. Now 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. So write here 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 carry over. 2 plus 1 is 3 and this is 4. So here this is 1. Fine. Now fill up the boxes over here. 4, 1, 8, 2, which is this number. 1, 8, 2, 3. 1823 and 2359 is this number. Now let us discuss this question. So here you have to add these two numbers again. So here I have 4, 5, 2, 7 plus 2, 4, 8, 9 and the answer is 7 and triple box. 9 and 7, 16, 1 carry over, 8 and 2, 10 and 1, 11, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10 and 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so 7016 and this is very easy question. Now let's do the questions with addition operation. Okay, we will find out the missing digits. Now addition becomes very easy, as you know. 6 plus which number is 9? So 6 plus 3 is 9. 7 plus which number is 8? 7 plus 1 is 8. 5 plus which number is 7? 5 plus 2 is 7. Fine. And 3 plus which number is 3? So 3 plus 0 is 3. Let's discuss these two questions. 6 plus which number? You get 2 here. Suppose you can think in this way. 6 is already there and if I start adding 1, then here you should have 9 which is not here. So 1 is the wrong option. Go with the next example, that is next number 6 plus 2 8 which is not here. So this is also wrong. Go with 9. 6 plus 3 is 9 which is not here. 6 plus 4 when you do it. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Then here it should be 0 which is wrong. 6 plus 5 when you do it. 6 plus 5 is 11. Then it should be 1 over here. So this is also wrong. When you go for 6 plus 6, then it becomes 12 and the ones place is 2. So 6 is the correct option. So go with 6. 6 and 6, 12. Write your 1. Now 8 plus 1, 9 is already there and here you have 9 only. So I should write here 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. Now 5 is there and you want 3 over here when added. So here 5 is already there. Fine. And now go on thinking with the numbers. That is here I say start with 1. Then 5 plus 1 is 6 which is not here. So this is wrong option. Go with 2. 5 plus 2 is 7 which is not here. So that is also wrong. Go with 3. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. No. 5 plus 4 when you do it, it should be 9 which is not here. 5 plus 5 when you do it, 10. So it should be 0 over here. So this is also wrong. Go with the next number, 6. So 5 plus 6 is 11. Then it should be 1 over here which is wrong. Go with the next number, that is 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. Then here it should be 2 which is not there. Then 5 plus 8 is 13 and in 13 one's place is 3. So very well you can write here 8. So 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 carry over. So 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus which number is 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So here you have this numbers. Fine. Let's go with the another question. Say here. Now 7 is there and you want 0 over here. So when you write 1, so 7 plus 1 will be 8. Here you have 0, so it's wrong option. 7 plus 2 when you do it, it should be 9 which is not here. 7 plus 3 when you write, then it's 10. So 0 is the correct place. So here I can write 7 plus 3 is 10. So 6 plus 1 is 7 and now 7 is already there and I want 6. Okay, so when I write 1, it should be 8. So 1 is the wrong option. Go with number 2. Then 7 plus 2 is 9 which is not here. So 2 is wrong. 3 when you write, it is 10 and when this is 10 this should be 0. So again wrong. When you go for 4, then 7 plus 4 is 11. It should be 1 over here. So this is also wrong option. Go with 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. If this is 12, this should be 2. So this is wrong. 7 plus 7 when you write, it is 14. And in 14, this should be 4. So again, this is wrong. Then when you write 8, then 7 plus 8 is 15. If this is 15, this should be 5, which is not the case here. Now go with the next number, that is 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. And in 16, the ones place is 6, right? So here write 9. So 9 and 1, 10 and 6, 16. 1 carry over. Now here 4 plus 1, 5 is already there. You have already 5 and you want 4 from that. So now 5 plus 1 when you do it, it should be 6. Wrong. 5 plus 2 when you do it, it should be 7, which is not the case. 5 plus 3 when you do, it should be 8. No. 5 plus 4, this should be 9. No. 5 plus 5, that is 10. This should be 0. No. 5 plus 6 is 11. This should be 1 then. 5 plus 7 is 12. This should be 2, which is not there. 5 plus 8 is 13. It should be 3. No. 5 plus 9 is 14. And in 14, one's place is 4. So here you can write 9. So 10 and 4, 14. And now 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3, that is 8. Fine. Now I am giving you few questions for you to try it out on your own. So these questions, do it on your own. Take a note of these two questions also. Note these questions also. Kindly note these two questions also. Solve these questions also and see the operation given here is plus. Solve these two questions also. Let us solve this type of questions where you have to find out the numbers in the circles. Now how we will do? Say here 525 plus which number, when you do you should get 600. So here 600 minus 525, right? So here 1, 9 and 5. So here this becomes 5. 9 minus 2 is 7 and this is 0. So here this becomes 75, right? So 525 plus 75, this becomes 600. Now when you have to fill up this box, I have something minus 75, then it should be 600. Now when 75 is subtracted from some number, the answer is 600, right? So here the minuend, as you know, it's greater than the numbers, then this answer, right? So here these two numbers are to be added. So here 600 plus 75, that becomes 675. Okay, this way you can solve the other questions also. I am giving few more. See this question, how you may think is, you may think as just now we have discussed the questions, something minus, that is 641 minus something is equal to 591. So here the question you may think as 641 minus box, that should be 591. Okay, so here I have to add these two numbers in order to get this number. So here I can think as box, okay, plus 591 and the answer should be 641. So 1 plus which number is 1, so this is 0. Fine. Now 9 plus 5 is 14. So here 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. So this becomes 0. So here the answer is 0, 5, 0. That is 50. Okay. So now coming to the other part, how to get this number. That is 50 when added to some number gives 591. So here 591 when 50 was not added, which was that number? So here the number is 541. So 541 plus 50, this is equal to 591. Fine. Okay, now try out these two questions, C and this is your D. Try out these two questions also. Try out these two questions also.